If you've been building out your Canva brand kit and find yourself scrolling through a growing mix of logos, graphics, and photography all sitting in the same place, custom brand kit categories give you a way to separate those assets into something easier to navigate. Custom categories are part of Canva's brand system, which requires Canva Pro. If you're not on Pro yet, you can start a free trial at brendacadman.com/upgrade. It works even if you already have a Canva account and your existing designs stay exactly where they are. To create a custom category, start by going to the brand area in Canva's left-hand navigation. And if you have more than one brand kit, make sure you're in the right one before you start. You can check and switch between them using the drop-down at the top of the left-hand panel. Click the plus icon next to all assets and select Asset Category from the menu that appears. Canva will create a new untitled category and open it immediately. Give it a name specific enough that you'll know at a glance what belongs there. Brand photography or pattern library will serve you better than something vague like images. Once it's named, click Add Brand Assets to upload your files directly into the category. If you've already set up custom sections in your brand kit, there's a second way to add a category. Hover over the section name in the sidebar, click the three-dot menu, and select Add Asset Category. The category will be created inside that section. I'll link to my tutorial on creating custom sections below if you want to explore that first. To rename a category, hover over it in the sidebar, click the three-dot menu, and select Rename. Or if you already have the category open, you can click directly on the title and edit it in place. To delete a category, hover over it in the sidebar, click the three-dot menu, and select Delete. Canva will warn you that deleting a category is permanent and cannot be undone, so before you do it, move any assets you want to keep. It's worth being deliberate about what you create rather than adding categories speculatively. A focused brand kit is easier to work from than one that's grown beyond what you actually use. And if you'd like to add cover images to your categories to make them easier to identify at a glance, I'll link to that tutorial below as well. Once your categories are in place, you stop scrolling and start finding. If you're not on Canva Pro yet, brendacadman.com/upgrade is where to start your free trial.